Hey detailers, this is Miss Detail, and today I'm going to show you a pro tip for your steam cleaner. Now, normally when you are steam cleaning seats, you would wrap a towel around the brush head of your steam cleaner, turn on the steam cleaner and hold on to the towel, and steam out the steam. Now, when you do it this way, the steam comes out of the towel and it burns your fingers. And the towel also gets really hot. So normally you can't really do this for a long periods of time. And now I have a tip to help you with this problem. And it's a hair tie. So all you have to do is put the towel on your brush. Use the hair tie to keep the microfiber in place. Turn on your steam cleaner. And there you go, no burnt fingers. Now, I will let you know that a hair tie does work best because it is surrounded with a fabric. So if you use something like a rubber band will snag in the microfiber and it'll be a little bit more difficult to get it off at times. But if you are in a snag, rubber band works great, but a hair tie works best. So if you guys have any other ideas and tips and tricks that you guys would like to share, go ahead and comment down below on this video, and maybe we'll share it on a future video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and we will see you soon.